Hi everyone, my name is Serene. I'm from iBiZZtax. Again, thanks for watching this video. This is an overview video on our iBiZZtax Cloud, the first cloud tax software in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. With iBiZZtax Cloud, tax agent can now work and access your data at any time, from anywhere, and any internet connected devices for prompt advisory. And very important thing is, by moving to cloud-based tax application, you will be free from being exposed to high risk of becoming a victim of cyber attack due to the highly confidentiality of tax information. So the benefit of using iBiZZtax is it is offered on FOC basis. The usage of the software is free, and there is no annual maintenance fee or renewal fees is required. And it is also for unlimited clients and unlimited user. And how do we charge? We only charge on pay-per-use basis. And very important thing is that the credit that you sign up, it is timeless, meaning to say there is no expired at all. So the tax module available in the software including company tax, personal tax, partnership tax, LLP, Form E and EA. And in this system, it's not only to generate the tax return form, it will at the same time generating the tax computation, the helayan kerja, the lampiran, as well as all the schedules including your FA, CA, hire purchase, and also CP204. On top of that, beside all this reporting I just mentioned, you can also prepare the standard kind of letter like CP204 reminder letter to remind your clients. It is also made available in this system. iDTS is a new method of e-filing integrated via web API. Now, iBiZZtax has successfully integrated to this iDTS portal. You can now complete your e-filing submissions with one single button with our iBiZZtax. With the effort in integrating the system to the iDTS, we have received an endorsement from IRABI on this capability. Alright, let's start the tour. When you subscribe our iBiZZtax, you will be given your own ID and password and a link for you to access to the software. So after you have keyed in your ID and password together with the security code, you will be accessed to the software. So this is an overview of our iBiZZtax, and in general, the software developed in such a way, simple to use and easy to learn manner. So pretty much over in here, this is a tax module I mentioned to you, which including your company tax, personal, partnership, ownership tax, Form E and EA. And even it is actually a different tax module available here. The data entry part, it works quite the same from one tax module to the other. So it basically breaks into two major sections, which is data entry is where you key in all your data. Subsequently, you will retrieve all the information under the report. So this is on company tax. So if I move on to the personal tax, you will see exactly the data entry part, it works the same. Alright. So in this review, I'm going to show company tax I will pick company tax as a tool, as a briefing today. Just go for the company tax and go for the data entry. For initial start, any addition of add new of the company always refer to the right hand corner. When you click on that, you will be known to key in your company number, your name, the company name, your DCC number together with the employer number. Alright, after you have created, you will see all your client lists here. And the searching function is quite straightforward. Just key in on here and you can go for any searching through the alphabet. And now, next, I will go to this sample company. And over in here again, you can have the first initial setup by coming to add new. So this is on the company information, including the change of shareholder, the company status. Over in this page is mostly according to the prescribed Form C. Okay, you just make accordingly the selection as per your client's information. After you have created the year of assessment, just click on the button, and this is the information that you were required to key in, and pretty straightforward. This is on tab form, meaning to say it's quite simple and easy to understand. So this will be on the address part, this will be on the banker, director, shareholder, This on the worksheet, and for worksheet part is mostly on the tax computation preparation section. All right, and others include the company income statement, the balance sheet, tax payment, other, control transaction schedule 6 for the year assessment started from 2019, CP204. So from address to the shareholder part is mostly on the data entry. So I will proceed to show you what is available on the worksheet. For the newly set up company, you can always find the business code available. Okay, and then next you will need to find the worksheet. At present, these are the worksheet available. After you make your selections, then we proceed to the business. Okay, so over in HK, this is the data entry of the this HK, which include of your unresolved losses brought forward. This will only require you to key in for the first time. Any unutilized, it will roll over to next year. And next, this is our notes to account. This is where you key in your analysis of your expenses. And disallowable part will including your disallowable expenses. Those double deduction, special deduction, it will fall under this section. And this will be where you prepare all your asset listing, which including your fixed asset, hire purchase, capital allowance, and this is for the RA and ITA. Of course, for your information, if at present you are using any Excel or Lotus to get these schedules to be ready, you can import these schedules to the software by following some of our steps. We do have this e-tutorial to guide you to proceed so. And this is on your dividend income, the rental income, interest income. You can prepare your deemed interest, this schedule of 140B in the system as well. And comes to interest restriction, you can compute in monthly basis or yearly basis. And this is other 110, and this will be other income. Okay, after you have complete under the worksheet section, upcoming these are about the this P&L information of your income statement and balance sheet, and tax payment information, withholding tax at the bottom part here. And next will be other related information on the Form C. Okay, for control transaction and Schedule 6, this is the new information that available in the Form C 2019. So you will have to provide accordingly, as well as this Schedule 6. Okay, finally, you will reach out to your CP204. This is the field for you to prepare your CP204. Which also includes CP204A, as well as once you get your CP204 estimated, the payment schedule will also be ready. After you have get all the information ready, next we proceed to the report. When you come to the report, again select the clients, select the year of assessment. You can leave the business blank, and you just need to compute tax. So the moment you compute tax, the system will be able to get all the information, the related information to be ready, and these are all the report that is ready to review. So we go for submit. So this will be the tax return form, Form C. And for your information, this is our iBiZZtax own tax return confirmation review. All right. So you will have to cross-check all over the information that you key in is fully transferred to the this report. Okay. After the review form, next you will see will be the CP204. And the tax computation. Okay, over in this tax computations, you will see from here with all the cross-referencing. All right. So by end of the day, the system will given the accurate tax rate as well as if, let's say there is any estimated underestimation, the penalty will be also calculated by the software. Okay, and upcoming, these are all the HK and lampiran. So you can actually keep it as a soft copy, okay, unless it's necessary to provide, then you only print out from the software. Alright, so do allow me, this I will skip a bit, I will move faster. So these are all the, including your HKO, the lampirans. Okay, and this will be the schedule of the fixed asset and depreciation. This will be on the hire purchase, the capital allowance, in details and summary, and this is on the rental income, the schedule of interest, restriction calculation. This is on monthly basis, and this is the schedule of the interest income, section 140B, the notes to account, and this is on schedule of permitted expenses. And finally, you will reach out to the tax CP204 tax payment. So after you have reviewed the report, you can just print, or you can just download as a PDF copy, or sometime you may just want to print out just a particular this report. For instance, I go for Taxcom and I go for HP details. Okay, and you will have your result here. Okay, also you will be able to have something like a watermark. Okay, the function of watermark is also available. Also, there are some additional report where you can find it under the admin report. So before the report, I'm going to show you, you can actually prepare your CP204 letter over in here as well. All right. So these are the letter you can prepare. This is your tax estimation for the year of assessment 2019 on your CP204. Other than that, you can actually have your this client listing. All right. You can actually have your CP204 listing as well. This section are the additional informations. It's better for you to keep track of your client's tax status, as well as you can some of the tax payable report, such as the information will be available. Alright, this is the overview of our iBiZZtax software. If you would like to find out more function on the software, you can always visit our e-tutorial over in our website. Thanks for watching.